This is a very good question. I am expecting you to solve this question, beta. Okay. Take a try. The length of the rectangular park is 350 meter and the breadth is 3/5 of the length. The cost of fencing the rectangular park is at the rate of 15 meter. What will be the cost of fencing that rectangular park at the rate of 15 per meter? Okay. Take a try. It's a good question. I want everyone to participate in this question. Okay, Gauri is getting D. Okay, great. Let's do it, beta. So now we are having a rectangular park like this, whose length is 350 meter, beta. The length is 350 meter, and the breadth is, and the breadth of the park is 3/5 of the length, beta. Means 3/5 of the length. So beta, the breadth actually will be 3/5 of the length, and length is actually 350. So beta, 3/5 of 350. It is 5 on the 5, 5, 7 the 35, and 0. So when you will solve beta, you will get 210 as the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Now you got the length and the breadth. Now they are asking us if you want to fence. Whenever you will be having a question regarding fencing, you have to calculate the perimeter beta, not the area. So now let's calculate what is the perimeter of this rectangle. So perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth. So beta, when you will add 350 and 210, so you will get 560. 560 is the addition of length and breadth, and you need to take the 2 time of it, beta. You need to take the 2 time of it. It is going to be 112 and 0. Means 1120 is going to be the perimeter of this rectangular park. Now, beta, you need to fence this park, and the cost of the wire that you need to purchase for fencing this park is 15 rupees per meter. Means 1 meter wire is costing you 15 rupees. So beta, you need to fence 1120 meter park. So it will be product of with 15, 1120 into 15, 15 0 is 0, 15 to the 30, carry over 3, 15 3 the 15 1 the 15 and 3 is 18, carry over 1, 15 1 the 15 and 1 is 16. 16,800 and 16,800, sorry, 16,800 rupees is required to fence this park. But actually there are some questions where you need to do the full calculation because the options are very close to each other. But in many of the questions you will find that you can eliminate just by looking at the options, right? So just work on your elimination method. Okay, that will save your time, beta. Again and again I am telling you, doing questions is okay, because every student, if I will give you a time of 5 minutes or 7 minutes of solving this question, everyone can do it. But the matter is that who can do it very fast, who can be quick. So you need to just learn some tactics, okay, of doing the questions fast, doing the question with the help of options. You are going to get the full alternatives of each of the questions. You need to think about it. You need to think in a very different way how to eliminate the wrong answers and work upon one or the two options, right? So that will be that will help you. Okay, so just be more focused upon the elimination thing as well. Okay, and the rest I can see that you people are good in solving the questions. Now the next one is this. You need to read the statements carefully and state for T for true and F for false. Okay, there are three statements. So the first one is the least number which when divided by 26, 56, 26, 56 and
Excuse
104.
me, sir.
Yes,
Can you show the previous slide?
previous slide. Yeah, what is it?
Okay, sir. I was just seeing the answer.
Shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So beta, the least number which when divided by 26, 56 and 104 leaves the remainder 1 in each case is 729. Second is the least value of x 5, 7, x 8, 9, 7 is exactly divisible by 3 is 7. Number of pairs of twin prime numbers between 30 and 10 is 2. Which good question. It's a very, very good question. I want you to spend time with this question, beta, because these are the questions which will take your time. Okay. Can you people tell me what will be the LCM of 26, 56 and 104?
Sir, is 728.
728, and
Yes.
you need
Yes,
to
sir.
add one
First
because
one
they
is
are
true.
remaining.
720.
First one is true. First one is true, as you
Yes,
people
sir.
are saying.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So let's take out the LCM. Let's take out the LCM. 26. We can break it as two 13s are and 13 ones are. You can break this 56 as two 28s are, two 14s are, two 7s are, seven ones are. You can break this 104. Okay, you can break it as two 52s are, two 26s are, two 13s are, and 13 ones are. So now, beta, the numbers that are common, we will take it for HCF na. Sorry, LCM. You need to take the LCM. So the common ones, you will take it only once. So beta, 13 is common. 13 is common. We will take it only once. And this 2, 2, 2 is present. So we'll take it only once. Okay. This 2, this 2, and this 2 is also present. We will take it only once. We will take this 2 only once. And we will take 7 as it is. So it will be 8, 8 7 the 56, 56 13 the 13 6 the 78, carry over 7, 65 and 7, 65 and 5 7 722, 728. 728 is the LCM, but they are saying that they are leaving the remainder in each case. So you will add 1 to it. So it will be 729. Means 729 is the number which, when divided by 26, 56, and 104, leaves remainder in each case. So first one is true. Option number A and B is false. Okay. So beta, option C and D can be the answer. So now beta, solving the second one will be easy for us. 5 plus 7 is 2, because the divisibility rule of 3 states that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So beta, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 9 is 29, and 29 and 7 is 36. Okay, 29 and 7 is 36. Okay, so beta, is is uh, 7 is the least value. Is 7 is the least value, beta?
No, sir. Zero is the least one.
0 is the least value, na? So beta, obviously it is not going to be the answer. So second one is going to be false. Are you getting my point? Okay, so second one is false. So obviously C is not the answer. Option number D is the answer. As you can see, elimination works, beta. Elimination is working. So obviously your question number, yes, COVID.
Sir, in the first one, the first statement, instead of finding the LCM, we can just remove 1 from 729. We'll get 728 and just divide with all.
Yeah, that you can also do. Yeah, that you can also do. Okay, but I guess dividing with these three numbers is, I guess LCM is more easy.
Sir, we have to find some numbers. We have to divide these numbers multiple times, find the common ones, then again multiply them and add one to see if it's right.
Yeah, and the second way by which we can solve this question is, you can solve the second and the third one easily first,
Sir.
right? So let's do it other way. Let's do it other way. Okay, so beta, if you can see, what are the twin prime numbers between 10 and 30? Are there any twin prime numbers between 10 and 30? Number of
Yes.
twin, number of pairs of twin
17
prime
and
numbers.
19.
Huh?
11, 11 and 13 and 21 and 23.
11 and
17 and 19 also. 7 and 29.
okay. Yes, beta. 11 and 13 and 17 and 19, I guess, right?
Yes, sir.
11 and 13 and 17 and 19, right? So these numbers will result in the twin prime, beta. These results in result in the twin prime. So there are two prime numbers, right? So there are two such pairs, right? There are two such pairs. So the last statement is true. Last statement is true. So obviously B and C are getting eliminated. B and C are getting eliminated, beta. Okay. So you can follow the elimination method very quickly. Okay. So you can apply it and you can get your answers, right? And it will work, beta. During your exams, elimination will work. Moving ahead.